Hi everyone, I'm Emmy from Sandochka. This product is part of a collaboration with the brand. They sent it to me as a sponsor and I'm grateful for the chance to try it and share my honest opinion. These are 4 acrylic display blocks. They come protected with craft paper on both sides. So, the first step is to peel it off. It takes a few seconds, but underneath you get this clear, polished surface. They feel solid and stable. I tested them with some makeup and jewelry. They work great to lift small items without taking too much space. Here's what I noticed. The size is 2 by 2 inches and 1 inch tall. You can use them alone or stacked. They give a floating effect that looks clean and modern. They're especially helpful when filming or taking product photos. I used one to show a lipstick and another's for a pair of rings and bracelets. The focus stays on the product, not the block. They're reusable and easy to clean. Just wipe them with a soft cloth if needed. That's my first impression after using them. Hope it helps if you are looking for something like this. Take care and see you next time.